Over here we have our big tom turkey, the daddy turkey, and 2 mama turkey hens. These guys are older. We won't eat them. We're just trying to see if they can hatch some eggs. We've tried incubating eggs and it didn't work. And then here is our Nigerian dwarf buck, and his name's Bucky. Bucky! The turkeys beat him up. They're not very nice to him, so he stays up on his house. Here's our 2 Boer goats, Daisy and Bridget. They're meat goats, and they've just been bred, so they should be having babies in 5 months. And then here's all my babies. There's Tamera, Nigerian dwarf. There's Tia. Over here is Chianti. And then there's her 2 little boys, her little bucklings. Oh, I just see Pudding. There's Pudding. He's a month old. Where's Coco? Where's Coco? Here's Oreo. She's the oldest. She's cute. And then here's our year-old chickens. These are our best egg layers. They all lay every day, so we get lots of eggs. There's 1 rooster, 2 roosters. We have 2 roosters in here, which is strange, but when these chicks over here, these guys are our newest. They're 3 months old. You guys move. When they start laying eggs, we're gonna put one of the big roosters in with them. You guys.